Yes, Empire Crypto TV. Be sure to like and subscribe to our shows. We have content, and today we talk about BTC's rise, about BTC's boom. Cryptocurrencies going crazy. So much is happening on the market, particularly today. It's a CPI today, and of course, Bitcoin being an aggressive bull uptrend or bullish trend, a booming trend, whatever you may call it, but it's quite aggressive. As you can see on my chart, this is my 1 hour chart for Bitcoin versus USDT pairing right there. And as you can see, man, it's a massive uptrend party, as you can see. But before that, there was not such a good uptrend. There was a strong downtrend before that here in this time, when the two banks, Silvergate Bank first and SVB, took a knock. When they took a knock, there was a strong downtrend that happened. I even made a video about that. But afterwards, the recovery was extremely aggressive in such a way that Bitcoin came from a $19,000 per coin, just above $19,000, and almost going to $25,000 per coin, but it stopped at right there, 24,822. But let us read why all of this has happened. There is a reason behind all of this, in case if anyone is not watching but is too busy to watch the markets. We are here to provide the content. Empire Crypto TV. Why is Bitcoin price up today? Bitcoin price is up today as the initial shock of the SVB crisis gives way to a BTC price recovery above $20,000. How could BTC USD behave now? Okay, that remains to be seen. I think maybe might go up to $30,000 per coin. That's a possibility right there. Okay, data from the Coin Telegraph Markets Pro and Trading View shows BTC USD climbing past $20,300 at the time of writing the pair, up 2% from the day's low. Okay, after threatening to lose $20,000 as support, bulls are attempting to preserve some significant trend lines as weekend trading offers a chance for increased volatility, because on the weekend you can also still trade cryptocurrency. Unlike other markets like the forex market, it's quite closed on the weekends. Uncertainty remains in the air, however, as the aftermath of the meltdown at SVB Financial is far from over. Wow, because I heard the bank has been bought by HSBC. Okay, crypto stable coins in particular are feeling the heat because the dollar is getting weak at this point in time. Of course, how is Bitcoin recovering, and how does the short-term BTC price outlook shape for the traders? Cointelegraph takes a look at why BTC is gaining. Let us read on this very informative article. Cointelegraph, check it out. After sending an eerily similar signal to Silvergate Bank, which was the first bank to get that hit that made this trend to happen in the first place. This trend here, before all of this, there was this major downtrend. Investors just losing confidence in these banks, and Silvergate being a crypto-friendly bank, and it also sent sparks and panic, as I've discussed in my previous video. As liquidity concerns piled up, Bitcoin led crypto in sliding to multi-month low, as I've showed you. Contagion from SVB, the United States' 16th largest commercial lender to other banks, to home and abroad, added to the pressure. Of course, a day later, however, the dust appears to be already settling. The initial shock of another bank failure sparked a cascade of selling among traders, but the latest data shows that the picture is stabilizing and a relief rally is underway. Okay, volume is coming in. I think this could play out by end of March, if not sooner. Popular commentators, income sharks, commented in part of analysis covering the rebound. Okay, now the analysis have been made long before. There were people who had this analysis. I think this is a 1 hour chart analysis. I also had my own analysis, but damn, man, the coin went extremely high. And I also believe that at this point here, Joe Biden had been making a speech, and I saw the market just going up. And later on, even at night here in Africa, the Bitcoin just kept on booming. I think the markets in Europe or in the United States saw that there is confidence being restored to these clients and lenders of the Silvergate and SVB banks. But what I've heard from Joe Biden is that investors who took the risk will not be covered in this case, but small businesses and clients that have been into this situation are the ones who are being looked out for in this case. The speech was available, I think, yesterday. He made a very, very powerful speech, but it was short. I wouldn't say it was powerful, but it was powerful enough to move the markets, because what he said was quite significant in such a way
that banks pay into the deposit insurance fund because of the actions of that, because of the actions that our regulators have already taken. Every American should feel confident that their deposits will be there if and
sort
when
of
they
like
need
restoring the confidence for all, all the management, even the management, yes, the management will be fired. Wow.
The people running the bank should not work there anymore.
So the bank is being cleansed, in other words, and this also gave that positive sentiment to investors.
That's how capitalism works.
Yeah.
And fourth, there are important questions of how these banks got into the circumstance in the first place.
Yeah.
We must get the full accounting of what happened and why those responsible can be held accountable.
This ripple effect, this speech here, for me, added the intensity of a bull run for the Bitcoin in this case. Okay, Empire Crypto TV, thank you very much for joining me. I hope you find this informative. Let's see what happens to the BTC. Until next time. Thank you.